Here comes the unboxing of the TexJet echo2 direct-to-garment printer. First, remove the top cover of the carton box with what is included inside the box. And after that, the cardboard honeycomb sheets, just as shown in the video. Continue with the side carton cover, and once you do this, you need to remove the wooden protective structure using a standard screwdriver. Once the printer is revealed, you will need to lift it up. To do so, use the handles beneath the printer. See them right here. It is important you use 4 people to lift the printer, or maybe 2 strong ones. Lift it and place it carefully on a suitable chosen surface. Opening the printer box, you will find the compartments box, plus the 9 labeled sealed cartridges. Place them all in a wide surface so you can double check them. Opening the compartments box, you will find the table of contents, the user manuals, and the digital content case. Continuing, there are the high accuracy scale, the printer cables, the emergency stop button, the maintenance tank chip resetter, the spare maintenance tank, a tiny package with swabs, set of chips, and the pipette, and lastly the 5 transparent sheets for the nozzle test. Let's set up the TexJet echo2. First thing to do is remove the yellow safety bar and store it in a safe place. Remove the first screw and pull out the tower real slowly. Once you do this, remove the second screw as well. And remember, do not throw the yellow safety bar away. You may need it later in case of transporting the printer. To carry on, remove the blue security tapes from the covers of the printer and attach the snap-on platen onto the tower. Place it smoothly and again remove the security tapes. Then connect the emergency stop button on the left side of the printer. Also, connect the power cord and turn on the blue switch. Next step is to install the ink cartridges. You will find the proper configuration in the installation tool guide. Be careful to install each sealed cartridge to their respective slots. And as you do it properly, you may close the cover. Let's power on this printer. Follow the instructions on the platen control panel to set date, time, and temperature format. In the first boot up, you will be asked to set the exact time, wafer mat, and the exact date. Lastly, check the way temperature is displayed regarding Fahrenheit and Celsius degrees and adjust accordingly. Wait until the table moves to the printing position. And on the printhead control panel, bypass the notice message. When the top panel is on ready screen, connect the Polyprint USB key to your PC. Open the USB Universal folder, open the service program, and copy the echo2 folder to your hard drive. Now disconnect the USB key from your PC and connect the USB cable from the USB port on the left side of the printer to your PC. Then, open the echo2 folder and execute the service program. Press OK on the first display screen message and then select Adjustments Individual. Select Ink System Related Check and Adjustment and then Initial Ink Charge. Then click Run. Be careful, ink charge takes around 10 minutes, so do not turn off or unplug the printer while ink charge is running. Last but not least comes the nozzle test. Take out the platen to the starting position. Then insert one of the transparent sheets that come with the printer on the left side corner of the 34 x 52 cm platen. Auto height adjustment is always suggested, but either way, pressing the blue button will send the table inside. Top panel, tap Settings, then Maintenance, Printhead Nozzle Check, and Print. Once the platen with the transparent sheet comes out, you need to check the pattern. If there are no gaps, nozzles are clean. If there are gaps in the pattern, perform a head cleaning.